welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me to cook dinner. As you can tell, I am in my gym outfit. That's because I just got home from the gym. We just got home from the gym. We worked out back today. Do I stink? I probably stink. Don't come.
salty.
Yeah, because I sweat. But today we are going to be making some turkey
bowl.
Turkey bowls. So basically it's like your homemade chipotle but healthier, because we're using turkey. We're gonna have pico, we're gonna have black beans, we're gonna have brown rice. Do you want white rice or brown rice?
I'll do white rice. White rice.
Okay, so we're gonna substitute with white rice today because we have a lot and we don't want it to go to waste. Before we get started, I do want to thank Sunbasket for collaborating with me for this video. Thank you guys so much for sending me this meal kit. I'm so pumped to start cooking. You guys already know I'm not a cook, so whatever makes my life easier and whatever makes my husband happy, I will gladly do.
I'm always happy.
Yeah, but you guys know Rex always cooks, so sometimes I do want to switch it up. Sunbasket is a meal delivery kit, so you don't have to waste your time going to the grocery store. They deliver all your meals straight to your front door, and they bag everything up for you guys in separate bags. All the ingredients are clean and healthy. The recipes will take you about like 30 minutes to cook, and they basically send you all the stuff you need, and they bag them up in little bags, which I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit. They separate everything, they labeled everything. Everything is pre-measured, and everything will just be easy for you. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, because that's what I need. I don't need anything complicated in my life. Their packaging is recyclable, so if you want to save the environment and the turtles. Also offer different kinds of meals, so like if you want like a lean and clean, if you're on a paleo diet, there's gluten-free, vegan, vegetarian, pescatarian, Mediterranean, you name it, they have it. All right, so basically I'm just gonna stop talking because this intro is getting too long. I'm gonna go ahead and get started and show you guys all the ingredients and stuff like that. Like I said, they provide you with everything. All you need at home is just your pots and pans, salt, pepper, and olive oil, and you're good to go. So look what just got here. I'm so excited to be partnering up with Sunbasket for this video. So let's just dig in and see what we have in this box. So this is the recipe book that they sent. As you can see, there's like a bunch of different recipes in here. So this is the turkey taco bowls with brown rice, black beans, and pico de gallo, and that's what it's supposed to look like, but we'll attempt to try to look like that, okay? So this is what it says right here. It says whatever is in your bag. Comes with brown rice, tomatoes, and so on and so forth. And then from your pantry, you just need salt, pepper, and olive oil, like I mentioned before, and your tools, of course. And then it shows you how to prep, how to cook the rice, how to make the pico, how to cook the turkey. So it gives you everything step by step, so it is foolproof, you guys. Alright, so this is the bag. As you can see, it is labeled turkey taco bowls with brown rice, black beans, and pico de gallo, and everything is all in here. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna lay it out and then I'm gonna show you guys. Alright guys, so this is everything that came inside of the bag. So we have some ground turkey, organic cilantro, avocados, some tomatoes, taco seasoning, brown rice, limon, and we have red onion here, and also some organic cooked black beans. Alright guys, so first things first, we are going to take the seeds and the core out of the tomatoes, and then we're gonna go ahead and chop the tomatoes up into like dices or whatever you want to call this. So just chopping up the tomatoes and then putting them aside into a bowl. And then next we are gonna chop up the red onions. And don't mind my cutting skills. Like I said, I'm not a chef, I'm not a cook. I am not good at this, but I'm trying, and that's all that matters. So again, just combining that with the tomatoes and then cutting up the organic cilantro and combining that into the bowl, squeezing half a lime into the bowl, adding salt and pepper, and then just mixing it all up, and then go ahead and set it aside, and we're gonna go ahead and start on the turkey. So we're gonna stir fry the onions, the red onions, add some salt and pepper and mix it up. And then you wanna add the ground turkey and the taco seasoning, and then add some more salt and pepper, and then just let that cook for 5 to 7 minutes until the turkey is browned and cooked. Alright, so next we are going to work on the beans, just adding 2 tablespoons of water onto there, and then voila, you're all done. You're just gonna want to put everything together into the bowl. I put half a cup of rice into my bowl, and then 1 cup of rice into Rex's bowl. And then of course a dance break while your husband cuts the avocado. Alright you guys, this is the completed look. I could have used a bigger bowl because look at Rex's, it's so jam-packed, but they still look so beautiful. There's mine, I use half a cup of white rice, and then for Rex I use 1 cup. You can tell the difference, right? His and hers. We're gonna go ahead and enjoy these turkey taco bowls. Again, thank you so much to Sun Basket for sponsoring this video. I cannot wait to taste this right now, and I cannot wait to eat. I'm so hungry. I will leave all the details, all the info that you need to know down in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. I will leave a direct link and all that good stuff. So yeah, you guys, let me know down below if you guys are planning on trying out Sun Basket. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!